Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to set 4-digit passcode in iPhone. So as you can see right now, I'm in my iPhone lock screen, and by default here, as you can see, 6-digit passcode are added to unlock my iPhone. Now if you want to set 4-digit passcode, here's how to do it. First of all, unlock your iPhone and go to your iPhone settings, and then scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode, and now verify your current passcode here, and now scroll down and here tap on Change Passcode. Again retype your current passcode, and here you will directly jump into new password section. Here tap on passcode options and select 4-digit code, and now you will be able to easily create 4-digit passcode for your iPhone. Just enter here your passcode and tap on change passcode, and that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.